When you want to own a cat, you must learn about everything related to it, from the type of food provided to it, how to care for it and clean it, and most importantly of all the diseases that it may contract, and learn how to treat it or resort to a specialized veterinarian to treat it. Cats raised at home are less likely to contract the diseases that cats living in an environment outside the home can contract, but it is necessary to identify the most common types of cat diseases that can be infected, identify the most important serious cat diseases, and obtain sufficient information about these diseases, and ways to prevent your cat from getting infected. Come with us. Cat diseases. Diseases that may affect domestic cats, especially, can have different causes, such as some genetic problems or related to their nutrition, or their exposure to health problems, and many others, so it is necessary to obtain basic information when wanting to raise a cat at home, and to identify the problems that can cause diseases and ways to prevent them. In our website, we will mention to you about 10 diseases that domestic cats can contract, with the causes and symptoms of each of these diseases, and methods of treatment and prevention if possible. Types of cat diseases. It is important at the outset to know that the prevention of any disease that the cat may have can protect the cat from infection, and this depends on your interest in this point through. Give the cat her vaccinations. Maintain monthly checkups with a specialized veterinarian. Most importantly, follow a proper nutritional plan. The most important and most common cat diseases are: first, diarrhea, the most common cat disease. It is one of the first problems that many cats suffer from, and many times during their lives, as it can be due to various internal causes. In addition to it can be a sign of more serious diseases. But in general, diarrhea is caused by a sudden change in the cat's diet, digestive problems, or eating any spoiled food. You may be interested to read Small Cat Diarrhea Treatment. Cat diarrhea. Second, obesity. This disease appears clearly when you suddenly feel that the cat has gained 25% more than the normal weight, and its movement becomes slow and difficult, and the reason is due to: since cats are generally less active in the home, this is a strong reason for them to become obese. As a result of caring for domestic cats by their owners in terms of feeding sometimes excessively and in an unbalanced manner, or as a result of eating unhealthy food, they become obese. Cat obesity also occurs due to the castration process, which leads to a low metabolic rate. Aging. Side effects of some medications given to cats. This causes problems related to obesity and weight gain, which may have many consequences such as diabetes, joint problems, and shortening the life of the cat. Third, urinary tract diseases are among the most common cat diseases. The most important symptoms of cats with urinary tract disease are whining during urination, frequent urination, passing little urine with pain, or excessive licking of the place of urination. There are many reasons for cats suffering from urinary tract diseases, including accumulation of crystals, stones, or sand in the cat's bladder or urethra, as well as the accumulation of urine deposits, or cystitis, bladder weakness, excessive drinking of water, fatigue, and stress. By visiting the veterinarian, preventive and immediate measures can be taken to treat the cat. Fourth, cats have cancer. This deadly disease may also affect your pet cat. Among the most prominent symptoms of cancer are the lethargy of the cat, significant weight loss, the presence of tumors in its body, with swelling, and skin problems. Fifth, diseases of cats and their kidney disease. Kidney disease causes the cat's kidneys to not be able to remove toxins from the body, and these toxins then enter the blood supply system. Therefore, you should check more carefully about the symptoms that appear on the cat and not underestimate them, such as frequent urination of the cat, the presence of blood clots in the urine, and increased fluid consumption, and in this case, you should immediately resort to the cat care center for diagnosis and prescribing treatment before it worsens the condition becomes serious. Sixth, infectious diseases. Cats with infectious problems can be very serious and fatal for them at times, as they can cause problems for the cat such as lung infections, gums, teeth, and even eye infections, and it is one of the infectious problems that many ignore and can cause irreversible harm. Seventh, infection of cats with fractures. Fractures are one of the most common cat diseases, as they occur to cats due to falls, and the process of jumping between places such as balconies, or the upper floors of high-rise buildings, which may threaten the life of the cat, and cause him many internal problems in addition to great pain for him, and his inability to move. 8. Diabetes mellitus. Cats can develop diabetes, and problems with insulin and blood sugar in cats can cause as many problems as humans do. 9th, the cat has a heart disease. HCM is often suspected by hearing a murmur with a stethoscope, abnormal EKG, high blood pressure readings, or X-rays. HCM causes the walls of the heart to thicken. This thickening causes changes in the chambers within the heart, but it rarely changes the heart's overall size. Signs of heart disease that you may notice at home include shortness of breath, a cat breathing through its open mouth, increased respiratory effort, and blue or purple gums. This disease cannot be cured, but it can be managed with weight control, blood pressure medications, if needed, and heart medications including calcium channel blockers, beta blockers, or diuretics, under the supervision of a veterinarian.